Affordable private villa and cabin sa Angat na may billiards, videoke at basketball arcade na kaya ang 40 packs. Tara! Yung mga kanus, alam niyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa Tabok, Angat, Bulacan para mag-staycation sa Nikki's Private Resort. Meron silang private villa and private cabin. Unahin na natin ang kanilang private villa na may kiddie pool and adult swimming pool na may sun loungers and table set on the side. May basketball arcade and mini playground, malawak na garden area na may mga swing at tambayan spots. This is their glass function hall kung saan pwede mag-videoke o kaya mag-Netflix o kaya perfect sa any event ganap dahil marami silang tables and chairs. They have 2 bedrooms na kaya ang 20 packs each room na may sariling comfort room bukod pa sa outdoor comfort room. Ito naman ang kitchen area na may basic appliances and griller and dining bar table. For their private cabin, ito yung swimming pool nila for kids and adults. May lanai area din na may videoke and dining area, kitchen area with basic appliances, and for the rooms, this A house has 2 floors. May sofa bed na may smart TV at pantry sa loob at may loft-type bedroom sa taas. At may additional room pa na kaya ang 8 packs and lahat ng rooms ay may sariling CR. They have spacious parking area, pet-friendly, and may free Wi-Fi. This is their rates na ilalagay ko na lang sa baba. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Nikki's Private Resort sa Angat, Bulacan. Let's go!